my gold package, right? If you do it 100, it will be good for me.
100? Sounds good. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do 100.
Okay, we can do that.
Bro,
Yeah. How are you? I'm fine.
doing great, doing great.
So it's okay. I know the USA time is very suitable time right now.
I was just so I was thinking to start a new campaign for
Okay.
I was trying to test the product. It's like a fitness product.
Fitness.
So I wanted to see if it's profitable so I can scale it up or if it's a bad so I can just change to a different one.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted.
Yeah, that's we need. Because first of all, we should test our product, audience, everything. We can scale up or not. Otherwise, we don't need to invest a lot of money on this product, right? So first of all,
Yeah.
we should test.
So how much do you think you need to like how much do we need to run ads for to know if the product is good or not?
Can you show a product? Because
Oh
I know a lot
yeah.
of products in fitness, so I can give you idea. Please
I
share.
mean I'm gonna share my screen then.
Yeah, just one product, right?
Yeah. Just that one.
It's the fitness product basically needs more than a minimum and highest, like as much as you can afford. Because if we
But
spend a lot, we can reach a lot of customers, and our sales probability will increase.
I wanted to do US, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and UK because they speak English too. So I wanted to. Those are my target market.
But
Do you think that that would be good?
yeah, good. But then you need a lot of budget. Cause
Not a budget.
yeah, because if you set up that in a, you cannot target all country. Yeah, you can target all country, but you cannot understand which country will perform better. But we need good creatives. Okay.
Yeah, good. Yeah, I already have I have 2 or 3 creative. I'm gonna send it to you
Yeah,
so
you can send it to me. Also, I can research for you. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I always try to help my clients. If they
Yeah,
send it
that's
to me,
good.
I can also research for my side.
So,
You mentioned that you need my gold package, right?
yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, but I need to do a lot of things for you because it's completely new store. So for new store, I always prefer my diamond package. But then again, no problem. As you are, we have this is our first collaboration. So no problem. I can give you my premium service. But if you do it 100, it will be good for me.
100. Sounds good. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do 100.
Okay, we can do that. Can I make the
Yeah.
order so that we can
Yeah.
start?
Yeah, we should do it right now. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. No problem. Can we accept the order?
Yeah, I see it now.